Have you ever wondered what the future holds in the realm of artificial intelligence? What groundbreaking developments await us in 2023 and beyond? Well, today, we're diving deep into the heart of the AI revolution. I'm exploring AI realms, and together, we're unraveling the captivating mysteries of the top AI breakthroughs in 2023. Point 1. Quantum AI Revolution. Our first stop on this AI tour is the quantum AI revolution. In 2023, scientists and engineers have made incredible strides in harnessing the power of quantum computing to supercharge AI. Quantum computers can process massive datasets and complex calculations in the blink of an eye. This means we're on the cusp of tackling previously insurmountable problems, from drug discovery to climate modeling. Quantum AI is a marriage of two cutting-edge technologies that promises to redefine what's possible in the world of artificial intelligence. Point 2. AI-powered healthcare. Our second breakthrough is the transformation of healthcare through AI. In 2023, AI has firmly established itself as a critical tool in the medical field, from diagnosing diseases with remarkable accuracy to personalized treatment plans. AI is revolutionizing patient care. It's not just about improving patient outcomes, it's also about optimizing hospital operations, reducing costs, and making healthcare accessible to more people. With AI's ability to sift through vast amounts of patient data and research, it's helping us unlock the mysteries of complex diseases and work towards a healthier future. Point 3. AI and environmental conservation. Our third exciting breakthrough is the role of AI in environmental conservation. In 2023, AI is becoming a formidable ally in our fight against climate change and the protection of our planet. With AI's capabilities in data analysis and pattern recognition, we're able to monitor ecosystems, track wildlife, and predict environmental changes with greater precision. This breakthrough isn't just about technology, it's about saving our planet and securing a sustainable future for generations to come. 2023 has already been an exciting year for AI. From the quantum AI revolution to the life-saving potential of AI in healthcare, and the critical focus on ethics and regulation, the AI landscape is evolving faster than ever. These breakthroughs are not just technological advancements, but also opportunities to shape the future positively. How do you think AI will impact our lives in the coming years? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top AI breakthroughs in 2023. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge content. I'm Exploring AI Realms signing off. Stay curious, stay informed, and embrace the future.